we are making some slime with some laundry detergent,
some water,
all-purpose flour, water, and you also
a
need
mixer.
a stirring utensil and a putter inner.
Why are you doing this?
This is what?
Hey, don't mix up my 2 cups.
Let's put in the water first.
No.
Fine, let's put flour first.
You put some of this here,
some of this.
and put some water.
Sorry, you can't see the English side. Oh,
And you put some laundry detergent.
just a little bit. What do I gotta do? I gotta put in the water then.
What are you doing?
We can slime.
We can slime.
You know what they're doing in here? Just detergent and stuff, or what?
And then you have this.
And we have to mix it till it's done. Shirley, you gotta do everything.
And we have to, and you also have to add some more water.
Just add some water while I'm stirring. You add water. Ooh, I can just see it forming.
Oh, that's too much.
We have to put a little bit more flour.
Too liquidy, everybody.
Guys, it'll start forming after a while. You just have to keep on stirring until it
Use
gets...
this.
Where's Jay?
You added too much flour.
No.
Yeah.
You don't know how to do slime.
They said that we have to add a lot of flour.
Okay, go away. We are making a YouTube video. Do you want to be my YouTube video?
Okay. And our detergent is blue, so the slime might turn about a little green.
Jade's outside?
Okay, I don't think we can pick it up and start playing. We should probably add a tiny bit more flour.
Yep. You need a lot of flour.
Like a lot of flour. Like, look at this. It's like,
slime is flour.
yeah, technically the whole thing is flour. And so Shale's pouring the stuff in and I'm mixing.
Yes, woman. Yeah.
And I'm
And it's